Every day, I start with a big power diesel. I go the distance, more than 100,000 miles a year, to keep the promise. This is what I do. This is my life. I'm proud to stand alone. It's who I am. Gypsy.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to repair the lock chip or crack on your windshield. A couple of days ago I driven on the highway construction site. Suddenly little lock hit my windshield, so it happens. First thing, you have to clean up the window with alcohol. Pour enough onto the towel. Then make sure a clean up. Alcohol usually dried up so fast. After you clean up, using this kind of safety pin or whatever, make sure no windows into the crack. Just slightly scratched up. Make sure no window powders into the crack. And I got this windshield repair kit. I paid 16 Canadian dollar. These are what it has into the kit: resin, pedestal, and syringe, and sticky plastic. With this sticky plastic, make sure white or blue. White side, and exactly put it in the middle of the crack. And peel off this side of the sticker. And put this pedestal. Make sure line up the tab on top. And pedestal direction on top. That's it. And using this resin, use a knife, cut the tab. Put about 3/4. And using this syringe, put it all the way. And using the one hand, hold the syringe and pull out the piston all the way. And using this clip to hold the piston. Direction set, leave it like this about 10 minutes. You better to bang around the windshield. It will help suction all the air bubbles out from the crack. "10 minutes later, hold the bottom and then take out the syringe, put the air in, and make sure bag again to the all the way, make sure airtight, and just clip out and put this piston to the down position. It's like air push down, legends will be into the crack. And instruction said leave it like this about 20 minutes. Now it's 20 minutes. Take off the syringe and using sharp blade take this out. And using legend has left onto the crack. Now I used little scare tape and squeeze all the bubble out. And the direction said under the sunshine leave it about 15 minutes, under shade leave it about up to 1 hour. So I have a little bit of the sunshine now. I'll leave it about half an hour now. Sun is not so strong, covered by the cloud. Let's wait about half an hour. It's been a half an hour now. Let's take off. Look at this. Beautiful job. Awesome. Wonderful. I didn't expecting this much awesome, but it is excellent. What I recommend you, whenever you got hit by the stone on your windshield, as soon as possible you're trying to repair, because the crack will be extended on end of the windshield like a spider, you know. Well, this is the first time in my life. I can do a better for next time. But anyway, not bad as a first time. Do it yourself and save a lot of the money.